In today's episode, we're going to show you 7 tips to help keep your apartment clean. Let's begin. Vacuum with baby powder. Just toss some baby powder on your carpet and vacuum those areas. The baby powder is actually a great way to help absorb that smell that may linger in your carpet. Plus, it keeps you on track of what areas you've already vacuumed. Clean with an old toothbrush. If you have an old toothbrush laying around, use that to clean in those small, hard to clean areas. Use an envelope cutter to clean your vacuum. If you have hair on the bottom roller of your vacuum, try using an envelope cutter to slice through and free those caught up hairs. Oven liners. This is actually a great idea to minimize the time spent cleaning in the future. Be sure to use only approved oven liners at the bottom of your oven. You don't want to start a fire or anything like that. The one we're using here can withstand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Using these will make cleaning your oven 10 times easier. Melamine sponge. These things are like magic. All you need to do is just add water. Then you can use these to clean scuff marks, dirt, markers, and just about anything from walls, vinyl floors, recycle bins, trash cans, and pretty much anything else. Plus, you can get a 20-pack of these for $10. I'll leave a link down below. Homemade glass cleaner. For this, you'll make a 50-50 mixture of water and distilled white vinegar and shake the bottle up. For me, I've added some blue food coloring so I can quickly identify that this is meant for my windows. Newspaper for no-streak window cleaning. Instead of using towels, try using some old newspapers. These help clean your windows and give you that no-streak window clean. Plus, it's a nice way to recycle them. What was your favorite tip? Comment down below and let us know. Have other tips on keeping your apartment clean? Share your tip down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.